Now we learned about complementary and supplementary angles as well. So let's see how we can apply them to find different measures of different angles. So let's move on to number 7 on page 47. Angle A and B are complementary angles. What does complementary mean? Complementary means that the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B is equal to 90 degrees. It means they add up to give you 90 degrees. So if the measurement of angle A is 3x plus 7, and the measurement of angle B is 6x plus 11, they want me to determine the measure of each angle. How can I do that? If I know that both of them are complementary, these are complementary angles, it means they add up to give you 90 degrees. So if they gave me an expression for angle A, an expression for angle B, I can add them and set that equal to 90. So that's an equation that I can use. So complementary means add up to give you 90 degrees. So let's combine like terms. 3x plus 6x, that's 9x. 7 plus 11, that's 18. And that's equal to 90. Now let's solve for x by subtracting 18 from both sides. So 9x is equal to 90 minus 18, which is 72. Now I divide by 9. So x is equal to 8. Now they're not asking me to solve for x. They want to know the measurement of each angle. So the measurement of angle A is 3x, so 3 times x, which is 3 times 8, plus 7. And that's equal to 31 degrees. Now the measurement of angle B is 6x plus 11. So 6 times 8 plus 11, which is 59. Now to double check my work, I can add those two. 31 plus 59, is that equal to 90 degrees? Yes. So that means my work was correct. Now let's move on to number 8 on page 48. In the diagram to the left, so this diagram over here, again, they're not drawn to scale, AC and DB intersect as shown. So they intersect at point E. Determine the measure of angle CEB. So CEB, okay? So for me to do that, I have to find x first. Now, do you see how we have line DEB? So that forms a straight angle. So that means that those two angles, DEA and AEB, are supplementary angles. So let's write the word supplementary. So supplementary angles are angles that add up to give you 180. So this is a good term to understand and know. So I can also know, once I see a line, I know that that is a straight angle, so all of it should be 180 degrees. So if I set up the equation, so let me write over here, 5x plus 68 plus 9x, so if I add up those two angles, I should get 180 degrees. So that's an equation I can solve, and I can find x. So 5x plus 9x, that's 14x plus 68 equals 180. Now if I subtract 68 from both sides to solve for x, I get 180 minus 68, which is 112. So 14x equals 112. Then I divide both sides by 14, and I can find that x is equal to 8. So again, they want angle CEB. So that part over here. Let me erase, and I want to show you something else. Now this form an X, so we have vertical angles. So angle CEB, which is what they want, is going to be equal to the vertical angle AED. So if I find what angle AED is, CEB is going to be equal to that. So 5x plus 68, let's find what that is equal to. So 5 times 8 plus 68, that's going to give me 108 degrees. So this is 108. So angle CEB will also be 108 degrees.